Let me show you a super cool decoupaging hack. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I had gotten this little Mom You're the Best sign from Dollar Tree, and I remove all of the, the little heart, and then I heated up this little bead of wood and popped that off as well. And now we're going to get our napkin. I think this was from Hobby Lobby, and I get it to 1 ply. Look how pretty it is. I mean, that's the other side. Look at this side. That's the right side. What? I know. All right, so let me show you this super cool decoupaging hack. I love it. It is one of my favorite. So I just cover the front of our sign with Mod Podge. Then I'm going to add my napkin. Easy peasy, right? I did cut off the excess, so I mean, I didn't go crazy. I just wanted to make sure that it wasn't so much hanging over. So I just cut off each side. That, again, don't go crazy. It's fine not to be perfect, because the next step, a lot of you already know this, but you know what? I never grow weary of watching this technique or doing it. So I did want to make sure that napkin was down. So I just used a piece of parchment paper and then rolled on it with my brayer. Then I go over and I kind of cut where see how the napkin covered the holes? I kind of just made a little hole in that and made sure that I had little slits in it so that the next step is easier. And look, we're going to use them. I'm using a match. You can use a lighter. And make sure you have a heat-safe surface to be able to do this on or near, just in case things go awry, which usually they don't. But just be mindful is all I'm saying. But look at, all I do is burn the excess with a match. And now I don't have to sand anything. Now I don't have to go crazy. It gets better. This technique gets better every time I do it. I love it. Is so much fun. And then this is just the insides. Remember where we put the little slits so that we could put the match or lighter, whatever heat source you can do. Look at how fun this is. Oh my gosh. It's addictive. I don't know. Maybe you don't think so. I think it's addictive. I love it. But again, just be safe when doing it. It could be dangerous, potentially. And then once that's all set, then I use this is just a paintbrush, cheapo paintbrush, and I'm just brushing off the excess. It will be messy. Obviously, there's ash and all of that fall off of this, so just be mindful of that. I did seal the top because I wanted to make sure that the napkin didn't go anywhere. And then we're just going to glue on all of the pieces that we originally took off. So here's the heart, and all I'm doing is hot gluing it back onto our mom sign. Look at how pretty that is with that napkin. Now I'm using hot glue here. Afterwards, I was like, oh, you silly. I probably should have used wood glue. So if you do this, maybe wood glue would be a better option. But I wasn't thinking. I was just so excited that this all worked so well that I just kept going. So it's fine though. It worked out. Look at how pretty this is. Are you kidding me? And hey, would this not make a great gift? Hello? And if it's not a gift, why not make it for yourself if you're a mom? Because you know what? You are the best mom, and so am I. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.